High-performance gardens have 12 characteristics that make the garden so successful. And today we'd like to talk about characteristic number 2, which is high-performance garden plants are disease and insect resistant. Because these plants are living up to their full genetic potential, they have less disease and are not very appealing to insects. But no garden is immune to bugs, so we must keep a lookout and prevent outbreaks. So we are getting into our summer season, and with the warmer days also comes summer insects. And today I'd like to talk about how I monitor the garden to keep the pest population under control. You know, with good observation skills and a few organic treatments, you can really have a bug-free and prolific garden. Here's my 8-step process to keep the bugs under control, and this is stuff that I do every week to monitor the plants for any problems. So once you get used to observing and seeing what is normal, when something out of the norm shows up, you will know it. So the first and ongoing thing that you must do to keep your garden free of trouble is to look for clues. So get used to looking at the plants every day. You know how you can look at a person and you can tell if they are getting sick? Well, if you spend enough time observing your plants, you will find that you can detect a problem in the very beginning before it gets out of hand. All right, here's the 8-step guide that I do every week to keep the pest population low. Number 1, I check the weather forecast and I cover the plants with the appropriate covers if necessary. A frost can weaken the plant and set it up for a pest attack. Number 2, are all the plants still there? Sometimes little plants will get eaten clear off and there will be holes in your planting row. This is a clue. Number 3, look at the leaves and stems. Are they shiny, wilty, curly, off color? Is there holes? Are they sticky? Are they moldy? And you want to look under the leaves because this is where most of the bugs will hide. So step back and look at the plant as just a whole and see if it still has its vitality. Number 4, take a look at your soil. Does it smell fresh? Is it too dry? Is it too wet? Has anything been digging in your soil? Are there weeds coming up? Do you have the appropriate amount of mulch on the soil? Number 5, make notes in a garden journal as to what you are seeing. If you're looking every day, you will start to notice when things are not right. Number 6, look back in your journal to see if this spot in the garden or this particular plant has had this look before. Also notice the time of year where you might be seeing something. So in our greenhouses, we see spider mites in June when the weather turns hot and dry, and we see aphids in the spring as soon as the greenhouses warm up. So if you keep a journal every year, you can start to track these yearly hatches so you can catch them before they take over the whole building. Number 7, identify the problem. So if you see something that's not right, then it's time to identify what's going on. Usually the problem will fit into 3 categories. It's environmental, disease, or pest. So if you can't figure it out, try an internet search or contact your county extension office and they can help you identify what's going wrong. You can also ask a neighboring gardener because they may know and they may have the same problem as well. You can also go out at night with a flashlight to see if you can find any bugs that might be eating the plants. You know, going out at night with a flashlight can really shed some light on the subject. Haha. Plus the garden looks like a whole different world in the dark. It's fun to check out the garden at night. So remember, lots of bugs come out at night to eat your garden. Number 8, create a plan to get rid of the problem. If a problem is too bad and could spread to other plants, then you just want to remove the infected plant. So the key here is to be observant, to look at the plants every day so you can tell what is out of the norm. Then if something is not right, put on your detective hat and figure out what is causing the plants to look off. So early detection is the key to controlling a problem. Identifying the problem, then creating a plan to correct the problem. So remember, there are successful organic gardeners in every single climate. There's no need for chemicals. All right, so hopefully that will help you set you on your way to a very clean and prolific garden. So if you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardening skills that can lead to your success, go to our website at thelivingfarm.org. There you can find articles, videos, and e-courses that can help you on your way to success. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.